Everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Shquita, and today I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to make hummus. Let's go ahead and get started. So first you're going to need a can of garbanzo beans. I'm just going to go ahead and stick them right here in my food processor. Next, I'm going to take a cucumber. I just went ahead and took off the skin, and now I'm going to just chop this up in pieces. And these don't need to be perfect at all because you're just going to throw them in the food processor and they're just going to mix in with everything. There they are. Just wipe my hands off really quickly, and I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And you can add as little or as much salt as you want. You need to be able to taste it yourself and see how salty you like it or not. Add a little bit of lemon pepper to our chickpeas. And I add a lot because I love lemon pepper, and I think it gives it a great taste. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some dill weed. It's just dry dill weed. You can find this is in the seasoning section. I have a lemon right here. I'm going to cut off both ends. I'm just going to go ahead and cut this in half. My lemon in here, and then squeeze out the juice. I prefer the light olive oil. I think it has a better taste than the dark olive oil. I just feel like it just tastes really, really heavy. So I'm going to go ahead and just go around a few times. And then there we go. And now I'm going to go ahead and pop my lid on. Turn this on, and then we're going to get going. It's going to get a little noisy. You might want to start pulsing this if you see that there's a lot of chunks in here. So just go ahead and just start pulsing. I'm going to go ahead and check the consistency. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and give this a little bit of a taste test. And I just stick my spoon in here and just, so good. I'm going to go ahead and make a hummus bowl. And I have a few radishes right here that I'm going to go ahead and chop up. I also have some carrot chips. I'm going to go ahead and cut a little bit of the skin off of here just to give it like a little pretty appearance like this. So when you chop it, it's like a little bit of skin and then no skin, and they aren't the same size. They are just very rustic, as I would like to say. That's how I prefer to cook, is a very rustic style. So I'm just going to go ahead and lay these here in the bowl like this. So I'm going to chop these up into smaller dipping pieces. I'm going to go ahead and just salt and pepper my cauliflower because it's just so plain. Just want to give it like an extra little taste to it. So I'm just going to toss it here on my board like this. I'm just going to cut the pita bread up and place it into my bowl. All right, so look how good our bowl is looking. It looks scrumptious. I'm going to take a heaping spoonful of our freshly made hummus, and here it is. I'm just going to go ahead and plop it on into the bowl. I don't know if plop is a good word to use, but I'm using it. Take my pumpkin seeds and just put them around, and then I'm going to take a little bit of black sliced olives. If you want to add a little extra kick, you can use some crushed red pepper flakes, which I'm going to because I like things a little bit spicy but not too spicy, and just sprinkle these down in there. This is what it looks like when it is done. I can't wait to try it, so I'm going to go ahead and try it out. Oh, so good. I'm sorry guys, but I can just sit here and eat this all day. Alright guys, so that basically concludes our hummus video for today. If you guys like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe down to the bottom and let me know in the comments what you think about this hummus, if you tried it or if you are a hummus lover like myself. It was a pleasure hanging out with you guys today. See you guys in the next video. Bye.